Here we go. It's another funny and hilarious comedy coming your way right away. So guys, subscribe, turn on notification bell icon, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up without wasting of your time. Let's go.
I finally got a car. Eyes on my neck.
Hey, I will give this one. Yeah, let me see your shit.
Don't
touch me. It's me now. With your fake eyes, you do better necklace where your
Look at this fine broke girl with your carton bands. What? Rubbish.
Yeah,
What do you want?
Let's have it. Beg for money, sis. You know, sis, you can't tell
Yabbing people.
You chilly, your body today hot.
Talk.
Your fair weight, just let me talk with you. I want to hear you. See, my mom shall not be feeling fair for quite some years, and she's in the village. You know, say I don't feel left for you know.
Will you
keep quiet?
Sing no more. Yeah. My friend, do you know about Easy Care?
No, not at all.
I thought it's only robot Jadrolita knows how to act like. I'm even surprised to see her doing this thing. And she's
Book it
good.
now,
though.
wait it.
Sorry, no
Wait,
no,
wait.
I like you be that now.
I make you quiet, Joe.
Easy care. Oh yeah, now we got it.
Well, you guys settle me. What?
Settle.
Yes, knowledge is not for free.
Keep quiet.
You dey whine. Stop it. Give me the money. Give me my money.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not funny?
Oh, she's no longer AI. See the way she was facing her.
How many times have I told you that you should not come back late after your curfew? I tell you not come back after your curfew. What's the time? Look, I tell me you're coming back. You're testing my patience in this house.
Mommy, I told you now.
Shut up your mouth. Now you want to blame it on your friends. You want to blame it on your friends now that it's because of them you're coming late. Let this be the first and last time.
Okay.
Let it be the first and last time. If you come back late to this house again that day, I will deal with you personally.
No problem.
Try me.
God will see us.
Mama Chi dey do and Chi dey do. And it must surely end bad. Let's see how this one's going to end sharp.
Food is ready. Go and take your food in the kitchen.
Chinedu don't vex.
Are you deaf?
Yes.
I said food is ready. Go and take your food in the kitchen.
I will not eat. Do your worst. Mom, do your
They
worst.
say they wise.
What do you mean you're not eating? So because of this little correction that I gave you, you're not saying you don't want to eat food. Eh, Chinedu?
I don't eat. I'm not hungry.
You are a mumu man.
No problem.
She said little correction. Meanwhile, the correction was not true.
A few moments
Chinedu got
later.
angry. Voila.
Identified as Amos Edos Osamudame, belongs to a former gang of suspected kidnappers that have been terrorizing Benin City and environs.
I thought you said you were not hungry.
They have finally brought in the Edo State crime watch into comedy.
As you are sleeping, I just did what?
Wow.
I'm with you spiritually.
Wow, man.
Ganduka Gandusa.
Beg you are onions.
Don't let Odumeje catch you people. Odumeje catch you. Mama Chinedu, you've been hot too. You are using Ganduka. And Odumeje said he's not doing all these things because of joke. He was so serious saying all these things. I don't know if he's saying the truth or not. But as for Mama Chinedu, take time with the way you are bringing in the knee. I don't say crime wash voice into this comedy. This partner.
Some people don't know me.
Hello babe, what's up now? I've been trying to call your other line. You've not been picking
Oh
up.
my god, I'm sorry. My other phone is not with me right now.
Okay, no wahala. See, I get better gist for you.
Okay, no problem. Let me call you back. I want to use the restroom.
Okay. No wahala.
He's really a gist part now. I thought maybe the gist is something else. But this guy is just a gist partner to her. Is it because of that you
It is in a play.
If it's not a Bugatti or a Ferrari, I don't want it. Let me call you back. My escort is here to pick me up.
Hey! Don't break them again. I don't need that.
I don't want any nonsense this year. I don't do for anybody. Moscow.
La caca. Jesus.
What's going on here?
I shall. You cheat.
Babe, who is that?
No man, and my ex. Alaikum assalam. Salam alaikum.
Ow.
Shut up! Where are my beds?
I'm scared.
Why is he stammering?
How is it managed to do that?
No, maybe you go to the hospital. So I greet you. Moms. Story.
Continue, I'm listening.
247 takes
Jump
time.
on down.
Hawk?
Yes. So all of them can't run. They can't run, come on.
Can you imagine?
This box where you tell me, say, man, people forget. So you even want cash too. I can't say no.
What's Abox?
No, man, Aboki now. You don't know, huh? Captain A.
Who is Captain
Aboki
A?
now is
See,
now
I don't want to hear any story. I have an event this weekend and I need my bed.
No, you need to thank Captain American and never save yourself for two years and fire away for the
I am tired of you, Pablo. What are you doing? I need my beds.
No, me Pablo. No, my guy Pablo. Tell me say,
Pablo.
you need
I don't want to
It's
hear
Pablo
anything. Give me my
representation.
beds.
Mama.
Don't mama me.
Moms.
Oh my God.
I'll move.
Move to where?
To see my bell.
Wisdom 247 actually move and meow away. He actually told the woman that I will meow, and he moved. Actually, upon all the woman was holding her like Kilode. He actually ran away.
Happy birthday, Dr. Dubi.
And he was doing the advert with anger.
I mean, one of the executive directors for Cubana Group, honorable special advisor to Enugu State Government on entertainment matters, ambassador to Glenfiddich Nigeria and Remy Martins Nigeria. How you doing now? How your family? Happy birthday, Morga.
Thank you very much.
Long life and prosperity. Anything where you put your hand for, he go work for your good. He go prosper. Everybody wait and say no go better for you. Thunder go gather hand beat and face before frustration come on in teeth. Happy birthday, doctor. Happy birthday, Dr. Dubi.
How you doing now?
I just make I call you wish you now. As my one of my best friends. You don't see. We'll talk. Happy birthday. So you get one particular business when I want to introduce to you, you go like, and you know say you be confirmed businessman.
You will not do anything easy for somebody. You must look for a way.
So I want to introduce you to this wonderful business. You go like him.
To beg money.
You go like him. Now business will be say if you put your money now, will be your birthday. In 7 days time, you go get 5 million naira. I know they like give you now.
How much I go put now?
How much you go put? Now 1,000 naira, just small 1,000 naira. Now Philip didn't tell me about the business. Philip just call me, tell me, say, call Dubi Gustavo, tell him about this business. I say, now today be in birthday, say, make I tell him. So I want to tell and a very good sweet business. Yes, now Philip, now anytime you say make I tell you. But I use the opportunity to wish you happy birthday. You know, say you be better person. So what you go do now?
I put money.
Yes, the business you go just put. You go just invest na investment. You correct. You go just put in 1,000 naira. In 7 days time, you go get 5 million naira.
How did you know about the business?
I know. I just start the. Now maybe the CEO for the business. So what you go do now? You go send me the 1,000 naira. Happy know they do business again.
He doesn't even know how to steal. He only just 1,000. Still better thing. Still 20 million. Only 1,000. And if he still will give you 1,000, he will be so happy. He will just go out and eat my Jiro rice. That is it. Let's see. Wisdom. Callmiwhizzy and Brother Solo. This one will make you laugh. In fact, just watch and see what's going to happen here. I think I love this comedy because the way they acted it, I've never seen it before. I've never. Trust me. Let's go.
Good day, sir.
Yeah, good day.
Sir, I'm sorry to disturb you with my troubles.
Oh, it's fine. Go ahead.
Understand?
Yeah.
Don't mean to disturb. I'm not a beggar, sir. You can take a very good
You'll
look
be a
at
beggar very soon. Don't know anything.
Sir, please, I'm on my way to Lagos.
Okay.
I then lost my money. Like, I exhausted everything I have on me. Sir, please, anything at all you can raise for me to transport back to Lagos to go and see my family. I would really appreciate it.
Oh, you have family. Nice. They're in Lagos. So where are you coming from?
I'm coming from the house.
From the house and you're going to Lagos. So don't you know that you're not with enough money before you left the house?
Sir, actually I left home with money.
Okay.
You understand? So when I was at Ring Road, my wallet fell. So I can't lose the money.
Okay.
That's why I can't be stranded.
What
But
sort of
anything you can
lie
do
is
for me,
this?
I will appreciate it. You understand, please?
So this work don't reach Bini. That is the work we dey do now.
Business meets business.
Where? You be my colleague now. That is the work we dey do.
That is the work you do so.
They play.
How you tell reach Bini?
Now long story. I just dress come for like this. Normal, I just see one motor park for road. All those Prado cheap. You know, as I dress couple, so you see me. I know what they do. So I know they go for all those local cars. Go knock for the man Prado. Come down say they go Bini. See my money no reach. We go and punish me. The man tell me say na Bini they go. Make I time to make him give me leave.
Now I carry you for free from Lagos company.
I wanted to say no because say na soldier. We gone and the man. I tell them to.
When I just dey come just as I tell look you, when I tell see you, when you double like those are large people say they hold their side. I don't know say you know hold your side.
I dey mad. People are working with the same onions, I no be.
My brother, I beg, I should not come Benin like this now, so no one no come spoil this work for us.
I don't take for the job.
Don't spoil am, I
I
beg.
dey mad.
So as you job like this now, so hold this side well.
With you.
Hold on well.
Nice to meet you once again.
Well done, boss. What did they say? Me, I'll go the next junction. You
Okay,
understand?
me no blind so come your day one place.
Clash of interest.
Why for grand?
The best, my bro.
Even your good.
Welcome to Benin.
We will meet.
Take care.
We will meet.
Let me tell you guys.
I beg no verse. No verse. Come on, my brother. Now when I just see you, if you be saying that you go just send, come help me. Since when that man drop me, you never drop. No, now even if my mama puts me, carry me go.
What? The same work we dey do now.
You know me. That will be saying
you want work me?
you walk you now. You know if you help your colleague.
Come on, they go. Go chop. You know, chop past 1,000.
So get down money.
That's it. I will borrow you. Once you work, you go give me back.
There are a lot of them in Lagos, a lot of them in so many states. Honestly, guys, you need to be vigilant though, because they will just dress corporate and come to you like, you get me. You don't have to.
You are looking good though.
Were you expecting me to look bad before?
So it's true that you are now
Mazi,
in
Mazi,
Yes, na. Thank God, God no be man, no. Cause if God be man, no, our God don't remember to you. You leave me at my lowest when I never make a follow Benin and come UK. Leave my 7 years of relationship with you. But look at me now. Oluwa has blessed the boy. In it, Mazi.
Am I not looking fresh now?
See, ma, tell you now.
There's one thing I love about Mazi. You know, the way he used to say, he must say one thing in his comedy like, am I not looking fresh before?
You live here.
No, I buy them. I don't stay on rent house. I only buy.
You know, we can actually rekindle our love.
That's when you want to go to camp. Coming back to you is like going back to Nigeria. Too much heat. I don't like it. Okay, come on here.
Mamazi.
Live here, fam.
Has it gotten to the level of fam?
Mazi, wow, even for UK, you still a shame enemy.
Baba, anywhere we see enemy, we will shame them.
Leave him out.
In fact, this is one of the best comedy I've ever watched this month. You heard some kind of incantation. Instead of you to run away, just run away. When they want to see what by you there.
Nigeria is not for carry boy.
You cannot tell only bros not to enter. The right track. He must blend. Even the thing will keep him, he doesn't mind. That's one thing I love about him. But at the end of the day, always set.
See them there. They don't fake you for them say they go double my house. Now I carry my last 2 million naira give them. 1 naira no get, my business don't fall. Officer, arrest them. How dare you bring police to make a good strike? Surrender yourself now. Anything you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Shut up.
About the talk, you follow about the talk.
Allah! He followed them, man.
DPO, these people don't disappear. Oh.
Boys, let's go. DPO, one of them died for a boss. Hey! Okay, hold on, to the station. Hey!
Well done, no. Officer, SB the call. This matter go, which call?
At first, I was happy that police was finally showing them to disappear because they always disappear and leave me. You know what is coming. Because this time, when he joined them to disappear, I was happy. Not knowing that we're going to end badly. Oh! They got divine in the hands of the police. This one is actually crazy, all. Crazy, very crazy.
You are the guy. Man, I coach now what so man. I bring my guys. They say they want to feed the feelings of Okugboa community. Hey man, what's on the gualo? I show me gualo. Manager, boss. Welcome to Okungbowa Igbiagia and Baby Salon. Which type of Igbiagia do you want? The one where get nyash, get breast, cost yellow. Atami kwado. Miguiagia re. Why her leg be like that? No reason her leg go. She sabi knock. Oh wait, gualo abi ototo gualo. Ototo mere gualo. How much? 10 naira for a night. 10 naira. You think it's a joke? Give me for 365 days. Fine girl, stay with me. I don't my guanya. Me and my guys, we be one shivu. Hey, are you corner? Igminasa. Mama na tore. Oh, ya wa love here. You want to take you out. What you talk? If I see the one go la apriko. I beg you out. Scar rubbish stop it down. See the way your teeth they brown. Man, I not for grandma they will my aprika before. Oh, where we shave? Your shave abi no go shave. I dey shave guy dey go mama. But yeah, we marry. Oh, which way rebel now? Okay, good way.
What is wrong? Let me to correct you. Let me correct when you are wrong. Let me correct you. Any small thing you be shouting at me, shouting at me. What is wrong with you?
You're not shouting at me. What is it?
Can you just for once embrace your mistakes? Embrace your mistakes when you are wrong. Admit it. Embrace your mistakes. Kilote.
Avio. And what got me, the guy was actually momulishly smiling. For
God. Just for once embrace your mistakes. Embrace your mistakes when you are wrong. Leave me now.
Voila.
What have I done with myself? What have I done with myself since the morning? How could you make such a mistake?
We die here. You are my mistake. I've embraced you.
I'll never be broken, man.
I will never be broke. Oh, these people. Your own must be different. Your own must be different. Thank God for him. He succeed this time. Go now. Go. This is what greed can cause to any man. Is the guy really blind or trying to form a blind, being a blind man? I don't really know. Okay. You are greedy, very greedy human being. That's who you are. Don't go look. Yeah.
Madam.
Hello.
Well done. I beg, give me 4 hungry man and 2 coke.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Do? How the family now? How much hungry man now?
The man 1,000.
1,000. For hungry man. That's what hungry again. What type of
So we see.
Now they shall raise them. They can't raise them now.
Oh God. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now bring change for you.
Bring change, oh. This one way government don't change that for us. Nobody will leave change again, oh. And before they say, don't worry.
There are people that still leave change. Forget. There are people that still leave 200 naira.
Chief!
I thought he came in.
Hello, please, stop this rubbish. Stop this rubbish. What is it? I don't have money. Why are you telling me cheap? I'm just dressed. This is normal dressing in Benin. I don't have money. Don't beg me. Stop. You people should stop these things. You just somebody wear dress and you start begging the person. Do you know if I have money? Do you know if clothes is always I have in my life? Why do you want to beg me money?
Okay, I'm not a beggar.
Okay, if you are not a beggar, then who are you?
Go ask your
Why are you running after my life? Why are you after my life? Who sent you?
Calm down, let
me explain.
Explain.
Okay, let me be that woman when you come buy Indomie and egg for a shop just now.
Oh, sorry, it is Nigeria problem. Oh, sorry, madam. No picture. I know picture. I'm very, very sorry. I'm very, very. Hey, why are you after me? Why were you running after me? Or is it because of the because I did not leave change with you that you're running after my life? Do you think I will leave my change with you? This is not a time to leave change. If I leave change with you, I go change that for you. This country I've changed it for. Change is very expensive now. I can't leave my change with you. What is that?
Listen first, let eyes.
You forget your car now. Not be that white car come my shop so.
I drive.
You drive come.
I don't drive come, madam.
Okay, I say you drive come.
Madam, I don't drive come.
I say you drive come. No be kidding your hands so. Hey,
I drive come. Madam, sorry.
Hey.
I drove.
My good no go kill me.
I drive.
Anybody this thing happen to no be normal person.
See your wife car, you leave and they go. Oga, you get children.
The person needs rehab.
4 inside, 2 outside. Stress.
Ha! Yeah, come.
I never knew it has gotten to this level.
Oh.
I didn't even know that I drove.
Come on, go and carry your car.
It's okay. Stress. Don't they call you since you don't do no cry.
I'm very sorry.
I've never seen this kind of thing in my life. Someone will come with car and buy something, and at the end of the day, he will forget the car and go home like that. And even get home, the woman allow him to get home. What will he tell his children or his wife that he forgot his car? Ha! Thank you guys for watching this comedy. This one is a very short comedy. This is the comedy I can compile for you guys because there are not much comedy. There are not much new comedy for you guys. But I think this one I compiled is very interesting. I know you'll love it. I know you enjoyed it. So why not subscribe and turn on post notification bell icon? Subscribe and like this video. Share it to all your social media platforms so that we can keep growing together. All right, guys, what's your favorite moment in this comedy video? Like, there are a lot of favorite moments. Like, everything is back to back. Honestly, everything is back to back. Like I said, everything is back to back. Like from number 1 till the end, it's very interesting, very hilarious, and very, very, very good to watch. I love this. I never knew Jarvis speak pidgin. I thought she's an AI, she doesn't speak pidgin, she doesn't know what's going on around. But in this video, I was shocked to hear her speak pidgin. Like, we're even Yoruba. Well, I love this girl. I love this girl comedy. She's actually doing well. You know, she's not like Phoebe. Phoebe is just like showing herself, talking in a video. Well, a lot of people love the way she talks. A lot of people find her funny. But I think I prefer Jarvis to Phoebe because she's right now acting comedy. She's acting comedy, not just sitting one place talking. If she's not featured to act robots in this comedy, the next comedy you will see her acting her own personal comedy. I think she's actually growing like that, and she's actually done well for herself. So I think I love her comedy. She's doing her best to grow, and I think God will help her. So let's dive into this guy, which nobody is actually talking about. If you notice now, I've started placing this guy comedy in my video. Like, I've started inserting any of his comedy among my video, because the way he's actually acting it is doing his best to grow. And I found something interesting about him is like he has started developing himself. Watch it and you see that Star Prince is no longer the Star Prince you used to know. Watch his comedy, you see that a lot of difference, and I love him. He's growing. So I love him, and trying to fix in, the Edo language in his comedy is a very wonderful thing. So guys, but I will never stop, laughing. I will never stop laughing. I'm still laughing inside me after watching Funny Bros. Funny Bros must end up in one problem or the other. You know, it's been loved by everybody. Funny Bros comedy is very interesting and hilarious. You know, a lot of people don't find him interesting. A lot of people don't find him funny. A lot of people don't find his comedy comic or something like that. But I think inside there, another Evian day, like there are a lot of people that also love his comedy. As for me, I love Funny Bros so much. The way he acts, the way, you know, everything about him. But I would advise him to also try at least, if not one, they act small, those times they start, that part when they jump, enter bush, I love that part, that ending part, and Funny Bros is not in any way placing that in his comedy anymore. He should be like acting that thing, ending his comedy sometimes with that pattern. The way you started, don't just throw it away. There are a lot of people missing that pattern. If you are one of those people missing that last pattern of Funny Bros those days, let me see your comment in the comment box. That's for Funny Bros. And I think Sydney, Iwundu, all those people that are trying their best and they are being known by many people, even Funny Bros. Funny Bros, the way Funny Bros they blend with these people, people even shock. If you count big comedians, like, no, if you count popular comedians for Nigeria, Funny Bros will be among. He will be among, honestly. It will be among. And I also like this Edo Pikin is an MC, but he's actually doing his best come up as a comedian. It's actually funny. Let me say he's a comedian. Let me just put it that way. He's a comedian, and I think I've started, you know, putting his comedy too in my videos, and I believe you are liking it. You love it, so you keep seeing more of his comedy in my video. The one you want to see, let me know in the comment box. The one you don't want to see, let me know in the comment box. There are a lot of favorite moments in this comedy video. Honestly, I love almost all the comedy. Especially this Anthony Ume. His pattern is something else. If you are not smart, I think you will not understand his pattern. You will not punish the comedy there, I swear. I swear. All of them are interesting, all of them are wonderful, all of them are good comedians. So guys, I think I'll call it a day. Thanks for watching this comedy once again. We'll see you guys in our next video. We'll soon get monetized. We are warming up to get monetized. We are warming up to get monetized. So guys, see you, catch ya, have a wonderful time. Stay blessed.